My name's Mark Ronachek. I'm one of over 180 Tyvek specialists across the United States and Canada. Today, we're going to look at the components that go into a complete weatherization system. First of all, we have the wrap materials: home wrap, stucco wrap or drain wrap, and thermo wrap. We need to wrap the entire house with these products here to create a complete weatherization envelope around the structure. And then we have to integrate that with the windows. So we have flashing materials, flex wrap, and straight flash. And we also have fastening devices, wrap caps, and the Tyvek tape. All of these components go together to make a complete weatherization system. We're going to look at the two major components that make up a complete weatherization system individually. First of all, we're going to look at the home wrap material and the four major components that make up a good weather-resistant membrane. A home wrap needs to have permeability or breathability. Breathability is the property of the product to let moisture vapor escape. When we build structures, there's a lot of moisture that's latent inside the different lumber products and sheathing, and we want to allow that moisture to get out of the structure. So we want a highly permeable or breathable material. Next, we're going to look at the water holdout capability of home wrap material. As you can see in this jar, we have water that's colored, and you can see that it doesn't easily pass through the product. So there's no coloration there. It's very important to have a good water holdout in a weather-resistant membrane because all facades leak. In addition to that, any product that doesn't let bulk water get through it easily is also going to have good resistance to air infiltration. We want a product that has great resistance to air infiltration because insulation in a wall system only works by trapping air. In a wall system that might be an R15 with just a 7-mile-an-hour wind, that wall system could be reduced to about an R5. By putting Tyvek in place, you can retain about 97% of the insulation's R value. It's not going to eliminate all of the air infiltration, but it's going to eliminate the majority of it. Lastly, we're going to look at the durability aspect of Tyvek. We want a product that's going to go up on the wall and not fall apart during the construction process, and we also want a product that's not going to degrade because of UV exposure. Tyvek has a 120-day UV exposure rating. It's a very durable material that will allow people to put other facades over top of it without damaging the material. We're going to look at some competitive products and see how Tyvek compares with those and the four aspects of a good weather-resistant membrane.